Chief Meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
All right, get ready to listen up. Major weather is headed to the South Plains, so if you're just listening to the weather, come and get in front of your TV. I urge you to, because we've got a lot we've got to discuss in just a few minutes. Here's what's happening right now. If you were to look outside, you're thinking, okay, this girl has lost her mind. She just wants to decorate for Christmas and get in that wintry spirit. Well, yeah, I'm ready to decorate, but also we're about to decorate some of our grounds in winter precipitation. We've got an ample amount of cloud cover across the South Plains. Notice that we do have a few breaks in the clouds, giving us a beautiful sunset in the mix, but this means moisture is across the South Plains, and we're going to continue to be dealing with more moisture being filtered in, and you know, whatever goes up must come down in one form or another. Here's what we're looking at on the satellite and radar. We do have a few showers trying to pop up along the state line, seeing some activity in Albuquerque. These are extremely light. Needless to say, it is moisture that we are dealing with. We've got a very potent cold front right now. It is stationed just over Albuquerque. It's going to continue to filter its way down. It's in the jet stream. That's why it's coming down and then going to continue to push its way off towards the east. So say goodbye to the 70s and even close to 80 degrees down towards Corpus. None of that is going to last through the weekend. So anything you need to do outside, do it right now with your backyard temperatures so mild. 65 in Tahoka, pushing further off towards the east. Again, we are still right around that 70-degree mark. The cooler spots in the 50s right along the state line because they are closer, obviously, to the front. Winds, not so shabby, very nice and light. So we are going to be dealing with light winds. We've got the cloud cover over us. So everything is going to be holding in the heat overnight. Now tomorrow, we're going to have a pretty nice day for half of it at least. 73 degrees for the hub, 64 in Toya because obviously the front will begin to push its way down into the afternoon. You really can tell where that front is going to be. 75 in Dickens, 74 coming over into Paducah, down towards the southern region. We will be warmer because we've got warming ahead of the front. But after that front makes its way into West Texas, it's going to change things dramatically. Here's what we're looking at. This is a future cast of the temperatures right around 3 o'clock tomorrow. That front's going to be already making its way towards Amarillo, dropping those temperatures at 45 degrees. Down towards the south and Midland, they're flirting with 80 degrees. That's a pretty big spread in a short distance when it comes to those temperatures. The cold front continues to work its way down into the overnight hours, dropping temps into the 30s and 20s. Yes, you heard it right. 20s and 30s all across the South Plains. This is at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Do the math. That cold weather is staying with us all day. We're going to have 20s for a low, and we're going to have 20s for a high on Friday. So if we got all of that going on, surely we're going to get some wintry mix out of it, and we sure are. A lot of cloud cover across the zones. We're going to start to see that front push its way through. The snow is going to definitely stay up to the northern extent, but we're going to be dealing with sleet and freezing rain in the central areas and off towards the southern region. So we're dealing with a lot of different weather patterns, but definitely some accumulation is going to come on. Now this is showing up if it is an inch or above. We're anticipating a lot of that snowfall. We're going to see a lot of it up towards Tucumcari, over an inch and a half, and then go down to Clovis, a little over a quarter of an inch. Now that is not saying that we're ruling out snow. This is just our snow tracker. What we're saying is we could see some snow, but we're definitely dealing with freezing rain and freezing ice across the South Plains. Roads are going to be extremely slippery. Tomorrow temperatures are going to be in the 40s in the morning, getting up to the 70s by the afternoon. The further north you are, the cooler your day will be. The further south you are, the warmer your day will be because of the heating of the front. Then we hop over to Friday, temperatures staying in the 20s all day long. We're going to have on and off precipitation throughout the day. That continues on into Saturday. Notice those temperatures though. The lows are in the 20s. So yes, we may get in the 30s by the afternoon, but everything at night will refreeze, causing for roadways to be extremely slippery. Drive with caution, especially if you're on overpasses. And I know we have a lot going on this weekend. Terry and I actually just left a fantastic event. It's a winter wonderland there this year.
It is.
Holiday happenings, a lot of people coming in from all across West Texas, New Mexico, everywhere just to this event. And I know that a lot of the tickets are sold out. So yes, be careful when it comes to the weather, but also we want to get you in the holiday spirit, not only when it comes to weather, but shopping-wise.
Exactly. So what's the code word if they're going to call in and do that?
Okay, this is for something completely sold out. You're going to call this number. We're going to give you in just a second, so get ready. But the code word is reindeer. You have to say reindeer, and that you've been watching it on KLBK. We've been giving tickets away all throughout the day. They're going like hotcakes.
And it's for ladies tonight.
Yes.
So that number, 445. 9637.
Go ahead and say it again because I interrupted.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
445-9637. Call that number, say reindeer, and you could be the winner of 2 tickets for Ladies Night.
And Ladies Night is always sold out. It's been sold out for several days now. So
Yeah.
these are some hot tickets to
Exactly.
get.
Okay.
Excitement there.
Sorry, that involved
Sorry,
you,
Evan.
It's
Evan.
not exactly my demographic, I suppose.
No,
Thanks,
probably
Nikki-Dee.
not.
We appreciate that.